In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Callable button in Google Sites. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clickable call button right on your site, enhancing user interaction and making it easier for visitors to reach you. So let's dive right in. First, we begin by heading over to Elfsight. You can access this via their website where all the magic is going to happen today. Once you land on their page, you'll want to look for the Catalog tab. Click on that and this will direct you to a selection of applications and widgets. Now, in the search bar located within the catalog, just type the word call. This helps in narrowing down your options to the relevant widgets you need for your project. Once you see the click to call option, go ahead and click on it. This is the widget that will enable your website visitors to call you directly with a simple click of a button. Next, you'll have the opportunity to select a template. Feel free to browse through the options available and choose one that best suits your site's aesthetics or functional preferences. Once you've picked your preferred template, you'll notice a button saying continue with this template. Click on this to proceed further. Now here is where you need to input specific details. You'll need to edit the phone number that visitors will call when they click the button. Make sure it's accurate because this is a crucial step in making the button functional. Once you've entered the right number, move on to the next step. After editing the number, click on the Publish button. This will save all your customizations within the Elfsight platform. You will then see a pricing page. For today's tutorial, we are going to utilize the free version. So, on the free version tab, go ahead and click Select. The following step involves acquiring the code you've just created. Click on Copy Code to save it to your clipboard. This is the code that you will embed into your Google site. With the code copied, navigate to Google Sites. Here, identify the page where you want your Callable button. On the page, you'll want to choose the Embed option from the menu. This is typically located in the upper part of the interface, giving you a few embedding options. After clicking Embed, proceed to select Embed Code. This is where you'll paste that code you copied earlier from Elfsight. Simply paste it in, and once you're done, hit Next. Google Sites will display a preview of how your clickable call button will look. If everything appears satisfactory, go ahead and click Insert to finalize adding the button to your site. And there you have it, you've successfully added a clickable call button to your Google site. This addition not only enhances the interactivity of your site, but also provides a direct and convenient way for visitors to reach out to you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one.